tornado in it.
Oh no, what happened to the quarter? It disappeared. What happened?
Welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures and Learning. I'm Corban, that's Mommy behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing disappearing money.
All right, disappearing money, so
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. So Corban, what do you need for disappearing money?
We need a glass,
Okay, glass,
water,
water,
a plate,
yeah, small plate, saucer.
and whatever coin you have.
All right, and a coin. All right, what is that? Is that a quarter?
It's a quarter. Oh,
All right.
it's gone.
Let's get
Started.
Corban, what's the first step?
You put the coin under the base of this plastic cup.
All right, you're gonna put the coin under the glass here.
You
All
notice
right.
that you can still see it from the side.
All right, let's go to the next step. Okay, Corban, what's the next step?
So then we're gonna put the plate in here.
All right, you're gonna put the plate on top of the glass.
Ooh.
And when he does that, we're gonna see the quarter here so we can see the quarter there. All right, let's go to the next. All right, so now Corban's gonna take the plate off the glass there, and he's gonna pour some water into the glass.
And then put the plate back on.
Yes.
Let's do this. Woo.
All right, he's pouring the water in.
It's like a tornado.
Okay.
There's like a tornado in it.
Oh no, what happened to the quarter? It disappeared. What happened?
It's right
It disappeared.
here.
Yeah, it's right there, but we can't see it. Okay, so the reason why we could see the quarter when the water was not in the glass is because the light rays reached our eyes. But when we poured the water into the glass, now the light rays are not reaching our eyes and we can't see the quarter anymore. So that's why it works. So did you like that experiment, Corban? And this is an easy one. You can try at home. All right, well,
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe for more videos. Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.